In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the ocean modifier to fake particle effects. Let's create a plane and a UV sphere with 3 segments and rings. I'll bring it down a bit, and add an emission shader to the sphere. I'll use Eevee with Bloom. Let's select the sphere, and Shift-select the plane. Ctrl-P to parent. Let's instance the sphere on the plane. I'll hide the original sphere and add the ocean modifier. The idea is to separate both meshes, and use the modifier settings to create a particle illusion. Let's see what happens when we change the modifier settings. If the plane becomes visible, please move the plane as far away as possible. As an example, I'll create a short 50-frame animation. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.